Moves all zero at the end while maintaining the order. Sounds easy, right? But doing it with constant extra space is the real challenge. Hello everyone, welcome back to the LeetCode DSA series. Today we are solving move zeros. Let's understand the problem with an example. For example, our array is 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So the output becomes 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. Here one important thing is that the order of non-zero elements remains same. So we can't sort the array. The idea is very simple. We use one variable called insert position. This variable tells us where the next non-zero element should be placed. Then we travel the array using I. Whenever we find non-zero element, we place it at nums of insert position and then increment insert position. After moving all non-zero element to the front, we fill the remaining place with zeros. First, we initiate insert position variable. So int ins insert pos is equal to 0 and then loop from then travel from I 0 to nums dot size. Now if the current number is non-zero, then we insert that number at insert position index and increment the insert position variable. In this loop, the all non-zero elements come to the front. And now let's fill the remaining place with zeros. So let's travel from insert position to nums dot size. Now let's fill nums of I with zeros. So now let's run this code. It's run. Now let's submit this code. It's submitted. So let's understand the code. First we initiate insert position variable that tells us that where the next non-zero element should be placed and then travel a loop on array using I. If the nums of I is non-zero, then we insert it at insert position and increment insert position. This loop will fill all non-zero element at the front and second loop fill all the remaining place with zeros. So let's try run this code for this array 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 3 and 12. In first step our insert position is 0 and our I is also 0. First nums of I is 0 so we skip it and increment I. So our nums of I become 1 that is non-zero. So we place it at insert position index. So now here we placed 1 and increment in insert position. Now increment I. Now our nums of I becomes 0. So we skip it. So our I becomes 3 and nums of I also 3. So we place it at insert position. That is first index. Place 3 at here and increment insert position. Now also increment the I to 4. So nums of I is now 12. So place it at second index. So 12 and increment the insert position. Now increment I. Now our I becomes 5 which is greater than nums dot size. So this loop will terminate. After this loop our array becomes 1, 3, 12, 3, 12. All the non-zero elements comes front. Now this loop will start from I equal to 3 because insert position is 3. So so nums of 3 becomes 0. So this will become 0. Now increment the I and this also will become 0. Now again increment I. Now this loop will again terminate it. So our final answer become 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. So let's analyze the complexity of this solution. The time complexity of this solution is order of n because we travel the array linearly, and the space complexity is order of 1 because we don't use any extra space. And that's a solution for move zeros. The full solution link is in the description box. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.